We're getting blinded by lights here.
No.
Hello, YouTube. It's me again.
Yeah.
My famous little saying, it's me again. And we're playing with the lights. I don't know what, we have no plan right here. We're just sitting here like that show everybody hates, The View, where they just talk about random shit. Well, that's us.
You said a bad word.
I didn't say a bad word. Shit is not a bad word. It's the stuff that comes out of your bum. Shit ass is a bad word. But I'm like older than dirt, so I could say this stuff.
Me can't.
Mind you, I shouldn't, but the fact that I can't see shit right now because somebody turned the light on, turn the light off, you can see better. See, you get better glare on my forehead like this. Ooh, forehead glare.
Can you
So
see
anyway.
my whole forehead?
Talking about, you're not losing your hair. I'm like 40-some years old. When I was a teenager, I had hair down here, and I went back that way. At least it didn't go too far. Like, it's getting a little bald back here, but yeah. At least I still got. At least you girls got hair. I'm not growing mine long. Nope, no more.
Have you guys been on TikTok?
TikTok. These kids all know what TikTok is. Do you know what TikTok is?
Yeah.
Do you watch bad videos on there?
No.
No? What's a bad video?
I don't know.
People saying bad words?
Yeah.
Do you? What do you do when people say bad words on there?
Last time, there's like, I was watching a video, I had a bad word, my mom told me, to get off of TikTok.
See? They're only allowed on the phone for how long? How many hours are you allowed on the phone?
1 hour.
Yeah, 1 hour. That's all they get is 1 hour.
Oh, I got it right.
Yep. And then after that, what do you got to do? What do you do after?
Get off the phone.
You get off the phone, and what do you do after? What are you allowed to do later?
Play with toys.
Toys. Do you like coloring too? Yeah. What do you like coloring? What colors do you like? What's your favorite colors?
Blue.
Blue.
Yellow. Red.
Red.
Pink.
Like blood red?
I like any color.
Awesome. Your little sister break all your crayons? Zaya.
Wait, no.
Is she a crayon breaker?
No.
Do you want to do some more toy unboxing this week?
Yeah, right now?
No, we don't have any toys to unbox right now. We didn't bring any. We should have brought one. Well, normally what I do is I bring back a toy and we unbox it, and then it gets played with for 5 minutes and then thrown in the pile. I'm assuming that's what happens in all the other channels.
Oh, good unboxing.
What? What are you getting? Careful, it's going to break open. This is the toy we already did.
Yeah.
This is not going on your channel because this is all this stuff. Oh, low battery.
Low battery.
Oh
We have
no!
a low battery. We can't make a video.
Oh, yeah, we'll fix that problem.
Yeah.
Put a cable in here.
Bye.
We're not logging off.
See you next weekend.
Look, we're still going.
No, we're not.
We're still here. 3 minutes later, talking about
2
zero.
hours later.
So it's good to have quality time with your kids in the garage and do absolutely nothing. It's getting cold out, so can't really do much late at night. What time is it anyway?
Oh, it's 200 million
Time. What time does that say?
11:16.
It's 11:16 at night, and we should probably get going.
No.
Yes, we're nuts.
We didn't even get to play with this.
Well, we're gonna make. You only got one. There's none for me. What am I gonna play with?
You can play with it.
But what are you gonna play with? We can't just play with no
Pants.
pants. You're a weirdo.
Dress.
We're saying goodbye now.
No.
Yes. Bye.
No, don't leave the video.
Stop.
Don't leave the video.
Yes. Say bye.